the showdown over special intensive revision of electoral rolls in Tamil Nadu. The DMK, which has filed a petition in the Supreme Court against SIR, has turned its guns on the Election Commission. The ruling party is calling the voter list revision an exercise to delete voters and add ineligible voters from outside the state.
The entire process is being misunderstood by Election Commission and is working very much in to the disadvantage of the common man. These remaining days till 8/12/2025, this is not sufficient time.
The BJP and the TVK have called DMK's protest to be mere posturing. They allege booth-level officers are being influenced by DMK booth-level agents on the ground.
DMK, being the party in the state in power, has been misusing the office of the booth-level officers, the BLOs, who were supposed to be doing a fair job, are now being influenced by the DMK and their party cadre to act in favor of their party men. So the entire purpose of the SAR gets defeated in the sense that the SAR is being done to remove names of the deceased people, to remove names of people who have shifted their votes, and now this process is getting affected badly. So the BJP is very strongly launching a protest against this. Even the ADMK has been trying to meet with the officials of the Election Commission in the state.
இன்னைக்கு அப்பாயின்மென்ட் பண்ண 68,000 பேருக்கு மேற்பட்ட அரசு ஊழியர்கள், அங்கன்வாடி பணியாளர்களும் ஆசிரியர்களும் அந்த லிஸ்ட் எல்லாமே திமுக காரங்கிட்ட இருக்கு. BLOவாக திமுக மாறி இருக்கு இப்ப. ஏன்னா அரசு ஊழியர்கள் சில இடத்துல வந்து ஒரு எம்எல்ஏவோ ஒரு அமைச்சரோ ஒரு அதிகாரத்தை வச்சுக்கிட்டு நீ சும்மா இருங்கம்மா, நீ ஏன் போறீங்க, இந்த 200 வீட்டுக்கு நாங்க போய்க்கிறோம்.
The SIR in Tamil Nadu has taken a new turn with government officials pressed into work boycotting work on Tuesday. BLOs claim that they are under extreme work pressure and are forced to spend their own money to finish a task in an impossibly short time period.
We have been working up to 1 o'clock in the offices. So it's not possible to complete this Himalayan
1 o'clock in the night?
Yeah. Every day. Last 2 weeks, we are working like that. So 6.5 voters, we have to check it 100% door to door. It's not an easy job. So we want extra time. Apart from this, we have not sanctioned any additional posts for this. It's a genuine demand. So Election Commission has to look into this and sanction some additional posts. And there is no fund provisions, no training, nothing.
The Stalin government has warned officials that they will suffer pay cuts if they skip SIR work.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.